Hi, welcome to my Trade Secret Masterclass. This is Abby, and today I'm going to share some interesting secrets with you regarding trade. Well, but first I would want to ask you that as an online trader, haven't you ever wondered if you can build a system which can ensure a steady flow of income while minimizing risk to the maximum? Well, you might be wondering that how on earth am I ever going to do anything like that? Well, do you think that only Warren Buffett could do it, but not you? Well, then I would like you to think again. What if I tell you that I've already developed such a technique by trading on one of such a platform after hours and hours of personal research and testing, and today I'm going to share it with you. Oh, no, 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 you do not need to get worried even if it is Warren Buffett stuff. It is perfectly fine. Just take a chill pill and I will tell you the rest. And there is no technical analysis needed in this system, and there is no patience needed for understanding this system. Just relax. But of course, there is a problem. But we all know what this problem is. And this problem, well, is the problem of choice. Even as a trader, you get to face this problem as there are many trading methodologies. And the dilemma is always to choose the right instrument to trade in and still have ample amount of spare time. Now, wouldn't you want to trade just an odd day and then spend the rest of your day in your regular routine, or maybe even with your loved ones, which doesn't impact your day job? You can still make money online and it does not even impact your vacation time. So this is the perfect work-life balance is still maintained. And yes, let me tell you that 8 hours of day job can pay you the same as this 1 hour of trade. You know what I mean? So this is just 1 hour of trade that you can do and you get the same amount of money that is by doing a day job for 8 hours. Or hang on, are you just thinking that all this is just too good to be true? Well, then let me introduce you to myself. I am Abby, a trader, a teacher, and an investment guru. And today I'm going to tell you the best trick to earn money, and my instrument is online trading of binary options. Yes, binary options. But why binary options? Well, the reason is very simple. It's because there's better returns, ensure less number of trades, and consequently more returns. And yes, I have figured out a 99.5% sure winning technique. And I'm willing to share this 99.5% accuracy technique for a very small fees. Yes, for just 100 Indian rupees, which means that's 1.5 US dollars. Wow, now that's really less. So good for so less. But hang on, if you're wondering that why is this fee? Well, then let me tell you that if it's free, then in fact you are the product. And that's because anything given for free is not respected. So consider it as the teacher's token. In fact, I had created my videos and posted the techniques on multiple forums for the benefit of the traders. However, the forums always removed my posts, or maybe even removed them altogether. Well, you can see that there are a number of social media platforms on which I had posted and which just came up with the same information that your post has well been removed. It's then when I realized that I had actually stumbled upon a well-kept secret on the online platform, which is of binary options. And that these binary options platform owners kept removing my posts in alliance with the forums. And I'm sure, and I can actually bet, that there is a nexus here. And this nexus is so that the trader community is kept away from the secret, which would mean a stable income to the trader and, well, doomsday for the platform. But still, I shared my secret to some deserving traders by word of mouth, and they are raking a lot of money. And yes, I am also writing a white paper, but I really wonder if it's going to be ever published. or over the internet. I do not want that there are some undeserving or scrupulous individuals or corporate fund managers who get hold of my secret. And so, in favor of the trader brotherhood, I'm charging a small fee to see that the secret goes into deserving traders' hands only, and that it does not go into any other person's hands. And it's also not such a huge sum compared to the fact that a trader trades in binary options in dollars. And of course, it's a start of a new relationship. Moreover, our relation won't end after the 100 rupees are paid, but the payment is just the start of our new relationship. And I shall be also sending you updates to strategies at regular frequencies to ensure that you keep winning. Well, these updates are also very important in order to tackle translucency because these platforms are very dynamic and they are also very translucent. Why is it so? Because they keep amending their terms and conditions to their own benefit, which they do not inform to the trader community, so that they keep on winning and you keep on losing. And hence, I shall be informing you about all these updates to ensure that you always win. Now, I would like you to enter your details as under, and as soon as you transfer your 100 rupees, do email me at abby numeric 4 binary at gmail.com, or you can contact me on 82969 26248, and I will work for you with you. And of course, do send in your name, your email ID, and your contact number, and your bank account details. You can NEFT me or you can IMPS me. So I'm waiting to hear from you again. Thank you.